Yo YouTube, it's your boy TC Barber back with another haircut tutorial for you today. In this tutorial I'm going to be doing a mid-ball fade, beard trim, and a shape up. So let's get right into it. Setting in my first ball guideline with my silver FX, and I'm going to set in this line around the back of the head and the right side of the head, keeping it consistent, making sure my guideline is nice and clean, and then we can move on to the next step. So just working the chair and using my mirrors to make sure my guideline is in there nice and neat. And this next step with the wall magic clip with the lever all the way open, and I'm going to be setting in my second guideline about a ½ inch. And we're going to repeat the same steps. And just setting that this second guideline in across the head, around the back, and to the right side. And then we're going to be moving on. Now I'm going to be blending this first guideline out with my Walls Magic Clips with the lever all the way closed. And I'm just going to be flicking up and out at the line just to get that nice blurry look. Adjusting my levels on my Walls Magic Clips to half. And I'm going to blend all the way up to the second guideline that I created. Just doing some detail cleanup. Right here with the lever all the way open with my one guard, and I'm going to be going up about a full inch this time, creating my third guideline around the head. So in this next step, with the lever all the way closed on my zero guard, I'm going to be blending out the second guideline that you see here. So coming around this area of his hair grows differently. So as you see me angling my clippers, just to cut it the way it grows. So adjusting the lever to about half with the 0 guard and knocking out this second guideline that I created. And I'm gonna blend all the way up to the third guideline, but I'm not gonna go past that. Continue to fade around the whole head. Right here, just adjust the lever to about in between half and close. And now I just open it back up to half. So right here with the 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open on my magic clips. And I'm gonna take this up around the bridle ridge, which is like the corner of the head. And I'm taking it all the way up and I'm flicking out. So I'm not really trying to create any lines, just debulking around the bridle ridge of the head and flicking up and out. With the lever all the way open with my 1 guard, and I'm gonna be blending out the third guideline around the head, keeping it consistent and just working the fade. Adjusting the lever to about half to continue to fade out this third guideline. And I'm gonna be playing with the lever quite a bit in between half open and close. The higher I go on a fade, I'm gonna open up, and the lower I go, I'm gonna go close. So right now it's about half, and as you can see me attacking the third guideline, brushing the hair. Now it's in between half and close, and I'm going up just a little bit, and just continue to blend. Adjust it to about half, and as you can see I'm attacking that line, and the fading starting to come together. Brushing the hair down just so I can see what I'm working with. So I always brush the hair down to see what I need to blend, and also to remove hair around the fade. So right now just fading right back around the head, just some detail work. Right now just left it to about half. And just continue to fade, just continue to clean up any lines or any dark spots that you may have seen around the fade. Just want to make sure this fade is nice and clean and nice and smooth. So my next step, I'm going to be picking through the hair to get ready to shape the top. So right here with the Mauve Magic Clips with the lever all the way closed, and I'm just going to be freehanding the fro. So right here, I'm going to be fading the beard with the cordless Andes Master, starting with the lever all the way closed, no guard. And I'm adjusting to about half, and then open. So right here is the technique where you just fading down. So right here, just repeating the same steps as I did on the left side of the head. Right now I'm going to start with the hairline. I always start in the middle, and then I trace it across to the left side and then back to the right, keeping it consistent. And we're going to get them nice and crispy. This is the most important part, and this brings the fade all together. So I'm gonna go ahead and start edging up the face, and he wants to keep the beard line natural as possible, and we're gonna round it at the bottom. And coming around the right side of the face, I'm going to repeat the same steps as I did on the left side. So this next step here, I'm just going to be shaping up the beard. And I'm just going to be taking off the wild hairs. You don't want to have his beard scruffy, so we're just going to smooth it out. Now that we got that done, we're going to be coming in with our enhancement. placing my card on the right side of the face, and I'm just going to follow the edge up line that I created. And as you can see, I'm spraying the enhancement at a distance. I don't want to spray too close because I don't want it to be too dark to where it look unnatural. Coming back with the trimmers, I'm just going to be touching up the face. Right here, just coming back in with the Andes Cordless Master and just doing some detail work. YouTube, this is The Cut, TC the Barber. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to continue to bring you good content, good beats. You can follow me on Instagram at TC the Barber MN. Leave comments below if you like. I'm an internal learner, so I can always learn. And thank you for watching.